Are you struggling with studying straight for many hours? Is it hard for you to focus on your task without getting distracted? I'm going to introduce you to several tips that help you to be more efficient in studying. If you subscribe to our channel, you will be provided with many more strategies enhancing your productivity. Let's begin. Tip 1. Longer sessions. Most students are encouraged to study in shorter blocks of 30 to 45 minutes, followed by a 5-minute break. This is because our brain tends to lose focus after 30 to 40 minutes, making it difficult to retain information. Taking a short break allows us to grab a cup of coffee or stretch our bodies, but there is always a potential issue. We have all experienced how a short break can easily extend beyond its intended length, such as when we find ourselves scrolling through Instagram for 20 minutes without realizing it. This is why a 4-hour block of studying is beneficial, as it eliminates the possibility of zoning out during our short breaks. Tip 2. Define all the steps. Another effective strategy is to plan ahead and identify the goals you want to accomplish within your 4-hour study session. Creating a to-do list is incredibly helpful, as it provides a clear overview of all the tasks you need to complete. This will enable you to stay focused on the task at hand and work through them one by one, ticking them off as you go. Tip 3. Eliminate distractions. One of the most distracting forces in our lives is electronic devices, so it is recommended to switch off notifications, shut them down completely, or put them away to avoid the temptation of responding to calls or messages. Once you pick up your device, it can be difficult to put it down and return to work. Before you know it, you can easily find yourself wasting valuable minutes scrolling through social media without even realizing it. Tip 4. Build the perfect study environment. Surrounding yourself with energy boosters and creating a calm environment is essential when you plan to spend a few hours in one place. Staying hydrated is key to maintaining your focus and concentration, so make sure to have plenty of water or sugar-free beverages on hand. Coffee is also a great choice for boosting your mood and energy levels. Additionally, snacks like nuts, berries, and dark chocolate are excellent study snacks that provide fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Finally, an aromatherapy diffuser with essential oils like rosemary, peppermint, and eucalyptus can help to improve your concentration and cognitive performance. We have a special link for you in the description to check out some of the best diffusers and other gadgets to step up your study game. With these simple steps, you can create the perfect environment for a productive and successful study session. Tip 5. Create incentives. Creating incentives that will motivate you to stay on top of your studies and keep you going. Reward yourself with a fun activity after studying, such as going out with friends, hitting the gym for an intense workout, or staying in and watching your favorite show or cooking a delicious meal. Whatever you choose, make sure to give yourself a break after completing such a demanding task. Without taking the time to enjoy yourself, you risk burning out. Step 6. Break up the time. It sounds very daunting to study straight for 4 hours. That's why it is a good idea to break up the time in your mind. So tell yourself first you need to complete 1 hour of studying. Then when the first hour passes, tell yourself that you have 1 hour to study and you are halfway there to be finished with your session. Break it up for 1 hour sub-sessions and it sounds easier to get it done and help to maintain your motivation. Tip 7. Study what matters. And last but not least, try to focus on a part of the material that interests you. If you are curious about a topic, it will be easier to get down to work and remember it. Even if the material is boring, try to find something beneficial to know in the long run. The point is to become familiar with your study material and view it as an opportunity to expand your knowledge on a topic you wouldn't otherwise learn about. Good luck with your study sessions. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!